All right. What is going on, everyone? Happy Thursday. Hope we had a good trading day. Had a couple of stocks from the watch list last night fire off. A couple went and failed. That's how it is. So going into Friday, we are going to continue our focus on the stocks that have been going this week and that have had shown strength this week. Have a couple new ones to go over. But with that being said, let's get into it. We're going to start with AXP. Again, AXP off the 3 inside day here, 3, 2 up, again, gaps up, confirms, and it keeps going. If you are long AXP from here, you are good to stay long and almost there. Let's see if we can finish off that outside month tomorrow. Chewy, here's one, kind of head faked me a little bit during the day. Inside day to the upside above here, you are looking to come back and go outside week and set it up to go here and up into here in the month of September. That would be the goal. Let's see if it can continue moving up tomorrow. Once again, earnings on September 10th. Reduce or completely exit before then in order to protect yourself. ELF, strong day Wednesday. Said last night, going to keep it on the watch list, look for an entry. Did not end up getting in this, but it did make a nice move off the open. Went up, showed some strength, and again, very close to going 3-3 on the month here. Let's see if we can finish it off tomorrow. It's almost there. IONQ, this one was from the watch list, I want to say Tuesday or Wednesday, off the inside day we brought it up. Inside day here, goes up, 2 up again, and 2 up again, working its way through this weekly range. Would love to see it get to here and then get to here to take these pivots out here and clean out all these guys on the weekly. MPC, the energy stayed somewhat strong today. You got a 3 on the day here, 2 up again. Still good, still working back through the outside month here, trying to get up into this guy here. NU, been talking about this one the past couple days as well. Made a real nice move. So Tuesday, for the Tuesday watches, I said I was looking for the inside day to come retest there. That's exactly what you got, the inside day. Then it goes 2 up again, and then puts this shooter day in. Shooter day at the top of this broadening formation here. So if you are long and it breaks below here, you should reduce or completely exit your position, especially if you are long from right here. Lock in those gains. PSX, the next energy company. This one actually stayed inside day today. Which would tell me that MPC was the stronger one of these two. But again, now you have a daily actionable signal right here. So if it is able to break above this high here, take the inside day to the upside, you are looking for it to come back and complete that outside month tomorrow. ST&E, I know this one was on the weekend watch list. We had the inside week, and look at this is what we're looking for every single month. You have a 3 month here, and then you have the 2 down. It goes green, and boom, comes back and goes 3 on the month again. That is exactly what you are looking for. That is the setup I trade. That is what I want every single time I'm taking a trade. I want to see it come back all the way through on the monthly. And to put it in perspective, right, if you have a 2 down green month here, you could have gotten long at 12.7. What's that open? 12.69. Could have gotten long there and ridden it all the way up. That is almost $4 worth of range. Would have been a fantastic trade to catch at the very beginning of the month. Tech. Talked about this one all week as well. Setting up the 3-1 week, but last night I said it set up that nice daily hammer and was going to try and come back through these guys. It made it through one. Let's see if it made it here. High 33.99, 33.98. So 1 penny away, but again, you still have the inside week setting up in a nice 3-2 down and then set it up to go 2 up next month. VLO, last 2 energies, again, smaller range days, but it's good to see them all closing near the highs, not really falling back into this candle. Could just be a little bit of a pause on today's action, and then they could try and go again tomorrow and finish off that outside month. I will have all 4 of these on my watch list again. Here's XOP, the final one. Actually, a very strong day for XOP. Gets back up. Almost to that outside month. Nice, another 2 up day. Again, you have that inside day here. You have a 2 up. You have another 2 up day. If you are long from right here, you can just stay long and keep going. So again, tomorrow I will keep all these on my watch list. If I can see MPC, PSX, VLO, and XOP, those are going to be my main watches into tomorrow. and we will be looking for them to continue and go 2 up on the day and finish off the outside month. All right, let's get into tomorrow's watches. Again, last day of the month, last day of the week. Small ranges so far this week across most of the indexes. So we are going to be looking to stay sized down and just protect your capital. Here you go, D-Dog. You have the inside week up. You have it just today, turning that monthly back green. The buyer's stepping up in a big way here. Paint that blue. You have the inside week back to the upside. Strong day Thursday. We'll see if they want to come back on Friday and buy more. I mean, that is massive day. 131 up to 141, $10 worth of range. Little gap in there, but again, the buyers were here and they were present all day. Let's see if they come back tomorrow and keep working their way through to hopefully it'd be great to see it close near the highs, set up that 2 down, 2 up reversal back into September. Rivian. Never traded this one, but it's kind of been popping on my scans. Could have taken it here. That would have been a good day to look at it, but that's okay. So it comes in here, goes 2 down, and then goes 3 on the day. So you have a 2 up week. You have the 2 down green month. You have a 2 up week in force, and now you have a 3 on the daily. Looking for it to come above here and go 3, 2 up and continue moving up into these pivots here, 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 and hopefully all the way back on through. These two, the next two here, serve. Huge explosive day here. Then you have an indecision candle. So similar to Triple M with it closing near the lows earlier in this week, what ideally you would see is you would see a gap down so that it open up here tomorrow potentially, and then they start buying it right away. Or if it takes the day and breaks it and goes 2 down, so if it goes below here, and then it comes back and starts reclaiming this range and turns the daily green, you will be full time frame continuity green in a 2 down, 2 up weekly reversal in a 2 down green month. So if this day comes, takes it down below this, flips it back up and starts coming this way and turns the daily green, you are good to get long. You have full time frame continuity on your side. Wells Fargo, same exact setup as Serve. Again, closing at the lows. So again, you could either get a gap down buy and it could start coming back up right away, or you're going to have it take the day 2 down, and then if it flips back green, you are good to get long again, hoping for the outside day. You have the 2 down, 2 up rev strat week, and you have the 2 down green month. So those are the 4 I'm going to be looking at. I'm still going to be looking at these. These are all still good to be traded. These ones I will only take Serve and WFC if it comes down and reclaims this bar here and turns the day green. If it takes the day 2 down and stays red, no entry. Stay away. Then you got Rivian. Went over that. D-Dog went over that. That's all I've got for you today. I appreciate all the support I've gotten this week. This has honestly been very cool. I've been enjoying this, and I hope you guys have too. I've gotten a lot of questions from different people just asking about different things. So if there's anything you want to see, I'm going to make at least one video over the weekend. I would like to walk through my process of entering a trade, how I use my stop losses, and when I take profit, just that sort of thing. I'll try and keep it quick and keep it concise, and we'll see. But if you have any other questions, please let me know. I should have some time this weekend. Stock market is closed on Monday, so I'll have some time to make some videos. If you have any questions, please leave the comments on YouTube. Reach out to me in the Discord. I am more than happy to help. All right, with that being said, let's make it a good Friday. Let's hopefully some of these trades fire off. We can make some money to close out the week and the month. And then everyone enjoy your weekend. Labor Day weekend. Get some football on. Get your last-minute fantasy drafts in. And let's have a great weekend, everyone.